How do you allow access to the wallet on the iPhone with Face? So let me guide you through all of the important things. If it's your first time here, make sure you subscribe so you never miss anything important. So you obviously have the wallet app on your iPhone, and if you want to lock the app with Face ID, you can hold it down on it on your home screen and click on the option which says require Face ID. So you're going to have to authenticate yourself by scanning the face once again, and it will just mean that every time you want to open up the wallet app, you'll have to scan your face first to even access the application itself. So that might be the thing that you are looking for. But other than that, if you generally want to, use Face ID when paying for stuff and using Apple Pay, scanning your face and then tap the phone, well, this is basically the default option. Because if you check out the Face ID and passcode settings of your iPhone, you can see all of those different things in here. But essentially, you want to make sure that the contactless and payments is enabled right here in the Face ID and passcode, right? So naturally we have the Face ID set up, but you want to use it for not just unlocking the iPhone or for downloading apps from the App Store, but also for the payments and contactless payments, right? So you want to make sure this is enabled in here as well. But other than that, I believe that there isn't anything else requiring you to use Face ID in terms of the wallet. So if there's anything else that I missed or didn't mention, let me know about it below in the comments. But if you liked the video and if you found it useful, hit the thumbs up, and I'm gonna catch you later in the next videos as well.